8. Okay, nakuha ba? Ulit. Dito susunod yung adults eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very good. Second step, yung ready? Siyempre, meron tayong kicks. Okay, we have kicks. Second step na natin. Paano na kick? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vice versa lang siya. Kung ano ginawa niyo sa kanan, yun din sa kaliwa. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. And then third step tayo, sama na yun, for sure, dapat lahat ng Jollibee marunong mag?
Swimming.
Okay, swimming. O, paano ba swimming? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Siyempre, kung marunong ka mag-swimming, dapat you know how to do that. Backstroke. Okay, that will be our first step. Ang backstroke. O, pagsalikod lang. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Siyempre, ang last step, ang favorite sport ni Kuya Josh, ang
Basketball.
okay, ang basketball. Basketball na favorite? Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Dribble, dribble, shoot. Dribble, dribble, shoot. That's right. Dribble, dribble, shoot. Get up, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dribble, dribble, shoot. Okay, nakuha ba? Tignan ko ako nila ang giling. Let's have a recap. Ano ang ating first step? Punching. Second step? Kick. Third step? Fourth step? At syempre ang last step ay? Okay, ang basketball. Syempre para mas maging masaya, lalagyan niya ni Kuya Jordan ng music. Music please! Ano ba?